you mentioned that sabi nila masungit ka.
Yeah. Siguro physically. But, yeah, physically siguro. Pero, if you get to know me kasi, hindi naman talaga ako masungit. It's just, I'm straightforward. If no, no. If yes, yes.
Okay.
And yun nga, medyo strict din kasi ako. Once I implement as much as possible, ayoko siya na ako din yung baba. So, kasi ako din personally, kung ano yung implement ko, I'm trying my best na mag-comply sa kung ano yung implement. So, siguro kaya sumit. Trabaho na lang din siguro. Because I have to.
Kaya straightforward.
Yes.
That's how you describe yourself. But how do you want to be perceived?
Siguro, coach, I want to be perceived kung sino din. Kasi for me, kapag may gusto kong, na kung ano lang yung gusto makita ng tao sa akin, parang hindi siya totoo. Parang, I mean, tayo kasi, minsan, we filter lang kung anong ipapakita natin, gusto natin na, for example, coach, we want to be perceived as discipline.
Okay.
Pag nakikita ng tao, we are disciplined. Pero, pag tayo na lang, are we really disciplined? Are we eating what is right? Even walang nakatingin, nag-exercise pa tayo.
Yes.
So, I don't want that na i-perceive nila ako kasi yun lang yung gusto ko. I want to be perceived kung sino talaga ako. For who really I am. And I am.
Yung joy at na nakikita nila, not only here.
No. Gusto ko yung, si Ma'am Joy, mapait yan, pero straight mo. Hindi, si Ma'am Joy, strict yan masumit. Yung gano'n. Kasi yung hanggang na naniwala mo. Pero if ikaw coach, diba, if you get to know me, very open ako, very straightforward. I don't keep secrets sa sarili ko. Siyempre, pag may mga tao mo sinabing secret, I keep it for myself. Pero ako, very open book ang life.
Yes. That's what I really noticed about you. Since siguro 2023, parang wala kang alter ego.
Wala. Yeah, that's me.
Yes.
Parang minsan lang, intimidated lang siguro yung mga tao. That's why yung masungit, nandun na lang sila kasi intimidate sila. Parang nagtatakot na sila to learn more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, to know you more, you have to be, people have to be courageous.
Yeah, I think. But oo, kasi pag may-intimidate ka, hindi ka lalapit.
Yes, because you said you're an open book.
Yeah.
So you're willing to get to know others.
Yes.
And you're willing to share who you are to others. Walang pinipili.
Wala. Regardless kung sino ka, ano lang mo.
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
Kasi when you're in a position na mataas, not everyone is available to share.
Yes.
Sometimes, okay, nandito na ako, I need to put boundaries. I cannot talk to these people. I have to maintain my standards. But you said you're an open book. But people need to have the courage to get to know you.
Yes. Yun, parang unang stage ng struggle is ma-overcome nila yung intimidation.
Okay.
Yeah. And yun nga, sabi mo na, pag ranking na, so may boundary. I also have boundary. Like, pagdating sa work, katulad dito sa office kasi namin is, most of us, hindi ka na dito. So, aside from work, nagkakasama kami sa barracks, nagkasama kami. So, we really have to put boundaries. So, it doesn't mean that we're okay, at lahat ng gusto mo pagbibigyan, then I lang pagbibigyan. Because we're okay, we're friends, hindi gano'n. So, in that way, doon ko nalalagyan ng boundary. So, work. After work, we're okay. After work, pwede tayo mag-bar ng ulan.
Oo.
Pero, sa office, let's maintain boundaries kasi hindi din healthy kapag masyadong close. So, lalo na sa mga staff.
Mm.
So, for us to be effective pa din, we have to set healthy boundaries, lalo sa work.
But I think that is also challenging because when you're friends outside, sometimes you'll carry that friendship.
Yes, sa
At-
work. Totoo
Yes.
yan. Na minsan, sa part ko, it's really hard din. Ha?
Oo.
Kasi they expected na dahil friends kayo, na bibigyan mo sila ng favor.
Mm-mm.
Pero ako kasi is a designation for right now dito sa office na to. I have to be fair to everyone. So if I give you a favor, I make sure na lahat binibigyan ko ng favor. Hindi lang dahil friends ka.
Okay. Very clear.
Yeah. So, it's really hard din sa part ko. And of course, yung naiintindihan ko din yung mga tao na or yung mga friends ko na hindi ko napagbibigyan.
Mm-mm.
Kasi of course, they're friends. So, like, may pagdatang ko, pag hindi ko pagbigyan,
Yes.
naiintindihan ko sila.
Are you going to lose someone
Yes.
because of your work?
Not really.
Because of your principles?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. If hindi nila maintindihan para why I'm doing certain things,
Mm-mm.
okay. Kasi, hindi, ganun talaga. Ang bawat tao kasi may iba-ibang perspective. I believe na lahat tayo iba-ibang ang perspective natin sa iba't ibang bagay.
Okay.
So, kahit anong gawin ko, if ganun na yung thinking nila, hindi na tayo nila. If it's not healthy, then let go ng natin yung mga tao. Kasi if you're really friends,
Mm.
kaya nga kayo friends, naiintindihan niyo yung isa't isa. So, pag nakikita ko, kaibigan kita, naiintindihan mo din dapat kung bakit kung kasi, as I mentioned, di ba, naiintindihan ko sila pag nagtatanong sila.
Okay.
Ayun, ako yun as a friend to them. Pero ikaw as a friend to me, you should also understand kung bakit ganyan yung decision. Kasi masasabi mo bang friends tayo kung wala tayong understanding na gano'n.
Totoo.
If minasama mo yun, then hindi tayo friends. Ibig sabihin, hindi pala talaga tayo friends. Kasi you don't understand me.
And that person, posibleng hindi niya gets yung values mo.
Yes. Kasi yung malulose natin yung isa't isa kapag pinairal natin yung tampo. Diba? Yun sama ng loob. Hindi ba tayo coach friends tayo? Gisam tayo sa work. Hindi kita na kailangan. Because hindi talaga pwede. Tapos nagtampo ka. Naiintindihan kita na nagtampo ka kasi ako kasi mindset ko, naka-mindset na ako dahil yung trabaho ko, may mga tampo, hindi ko mapipisan ka. So, naiintindihan kita. Ngayon, lumayo ka sa akin kasi masama yung loob mo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi genuine yung pagiging you're making friends with me para pagbigyan na kita.
Okay.
Di ba? It's not really
Yeah.
genuine friendship yung happen mo. You want to be friends with me para may favor sa'yo. Yun.
Nice! Nice! May tungtunan ako sa'yo right now.
Di ba?
Oo nga.
It's really hard to find real friends. So,
Mm.
lalo if you're ranking,
Mm-mm.
lalo if you're in a position, it's really hard to find real friends.
What a time.
Kasi some people, like, sa designation na meron, of course, yung mga tao na lapit sa'yo because they need something.
Okay.
Yeah. So, it's really hard na makahanap ng genuine
Friendship.
friendship.
Oh my. Because people might just take advantage of your position.
Yes, and yeah, pinapakitaan ka ng maganda. Because, in office work,
How do you test
I don't
friendship? You don't test.
Yeah, I don't test friendship.
Paano mo napapatunayan?
Sa paglipas ng panahon ko, it will reveal the truth. Time will reveal the truth. I don't test.
You don't test. time of revealability.
Yeah.
And for me, that is a mark of our real leadership talaga. When you're willing to let go of people because of your principles.
Yeah. Kasi, kahit anong gawin natin po, kahit hindi naman leader kahit hindi ka ranking,
Mm.
kahit ano ka lang, simpleng maame, hindi mo mapiplease ang bawat isa. Wala kang mapiplease na tao. Kahit ano gawin mo, tama or mali, meron at meron silang masasabi. So, ano gagawin mo? Kasi panindigan mo, mabuhay ka sa kung anong alam mo yung alam mong tama sa paniniwala mo at tama sa Diyos.
Who you should please at work.
Sa work, I don't think you should please somebody sa work. Like, you just have to do your job ng tama, ng walang inaapasok. Kasi if you're doing your job right, na maayos, na magaling, ng right attitude, makikita yun ng mga officers, ng mga chiefs, chief of officers. Magaling ka because of your work. Not because you do what you want or what he wants. Kasi we are all here to work.
Yes.
And hindi dapat tayo maging loyal sa tao. We have to be loyal sa servisyo.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi ang bawat tao, iba-iba yan. Iba-ibang pangangalakad, iba-ibang leadership. So, doon ka lang sa tama. Pag nasa tama ka, pag ang loyalty mo nasa service, hindi ka mamamali. May mga taong may mga leader or may mga magiging boss ka na hindi ka magugustuhan. Pero hindi ka mamamali. Kasi tama yung ginagawa mo according sa, of course, ang law, sa policy, ng organization.
So, doon yung loyalty.
Yeah. Loyalty should be in the organization. Hindi kung sino ka.
Okay. I've heard this from you.
Yes.
To serve and to protect.
Oh, yeah.
How does it make you feel?
To serve and protect. Siguro for me, sacrificial.
Sacrificial.
Yeah. Kasi, you serve other people, you protect other people. Pero minsan, yung sarili mong pamilya, hindi mo nasa-serve, hindi mo na-protect. So, yun.
It's a sacrifice.
Yes, really. Kasi, in order for you to serve, syempre nagbibigay ka ng servisyo mo. Magpaprotect ka. Pag nag-protect ka ng ibang tao, you put yourself into danger. So, it's a sacrifice.